If you're finding it hard to keep track of where your cursor is when working in documents in Windows 10, try making it thicker. Press the Start key on your keyboard, start typing the word Settings, select it. In the Find a Setting box, start typing Change how thick the cursor is. Select that. Down where the cursor thickness bar is, click and drag to the right to make the cursor thicker. Once you've found a setting that you think will suit you, close the box and you'll see that the cursor is now a lot thicker and easier to see. Next, we'll look at pre-configured mouse and cursor settings using Ease of Access Center. Windows 10 gives you a number of pre-configured pointer settings, which you can change by using the Ease of Access Center. To do that, first press the Windows key on your keyboard and start typing Ease of Access Center. Select it. Use the scroll bar to go down until you can see the Make the Mouse Easier to Use hyperlink. Click it and you'll see a whole range of different pre-configured settings which will change the way that your pointer looks. For example, if I selected extra large black and click Apply, my pointer changes to that particular style. Select another one, and so forth. Now, the last thing we're going to have a look at is all the other settings that we can change on the mouse to make it work the way we like it to work. There's a few other settings that we can play with in Windows to do with our mouse and pointer. Hit your Windows key, start typing Control Panel. Select it. In the Search Control Panel box, type the word Mouse and select Change Mouse Settings. Now, in here, we can adjust the double click speed. We can turn on Click Lock. Switch the primary and secondary buttons. I don't know why anyone would want to do that, but anyway, it's an option available to you. You can change individual pointer styles for different things. But the most useful one here, I think, is pointer options. Display pointer trails gives you a trail that follows your pointer around while you're using it. And show location of pointer when I press the Control key. Now that's a handy one. To see where the pointer is at any given time, just press your Control key and you'll get a little circle appearing. Okay, that's it for this little mini tutorial. Thank you for watching the video.